This is IELTS with Zainova. You're welcome. In our series called the IELTS question types, we will be looking at the multiple choice questions, also called MCQs. Now, the MCQs is one of the IELTS question types that you will or may face in your exam. In the multiple choice question, you're to choose the correct answer from a list of options. Note that this question is intended to test your ability to understand the main idea of each paragraph, scan for specific information, use detailed reading to differentiate between several possible answers. Now, your instructions may look like this. Take a minute, go through the instruction, and familiarize yourself with it. Let's jump into some tips that will be helpful during your test. Read the question. This activity will help you identify what you are looking for in the passage or text. The answer will be in order. This is not the case with all question types, but with the multiple choice question type, you can expect the question to be in order. Example, question 1 may be found in the first paragraph of the page. Same with question 2, and so on. Read in detail. Although the skimming and scanning skills are helpful, you do not want to take chances. The plain truth is, attention to detail is crucial in this question type. Watch out for distractors. Test makers often include distractors in your answer choices to catch you off guard. Watch out for words like every, or, most, or a few. These are qualifying words that have the ability to change the meaning of a sentence. Do not leave any answer blank. If you really can't decide which answer is right, then take an educated guess. There is a chance that you will at least get it correctly. Now, if you do not put an answer, you have lost that question because the examiner will mark it wrong. Identify keywords in the question. This makes it easier to find the correct answer in the text. Synonyms are used sometimes. Do not miss it. Think about the meaning of words you find in the question and in the text. Predict the correct answer. Read the text again if need be. If you end up with two similar answers, paraphrase each, find the distractors in them, and now compare them and make an educated pick, not a guess. Move on. When should you move on? When time is against you and when you are stuck on one question. Okay, let's have a quick review. MCQs are multiple choice questions used in the IELTS test. They are used to test your ability to understand the main idea of each paragraph, scan for specific information, use detailed reading to differentiate between several possible answers. We talked about tips. The first of them was read the question. The answers will be in order. Read in detail. Watch out for distractors. Do not leave any question unanswered. Identify keywords. Think about meaning of words you find in the text and question. Predict the answers, the correct ones. Read the text again. Decide when you have similar answers which one is the most correct one by comparing the meanings. Move on, especially when you are stuck on one answer. That was fun. For more insights on how to ace the IELTS test, enroll for a class and gain access to our online classroom and library, plus a 24/7 support till you write your exam.